Hey guys, welcome here. My name is Deepak Chahar and today we will learn about buttons in HTML and we will use anchor tag with button. So let's get started. So first create a new file, copy the code and reuse it. Now paste the code. Alright, now save the file first and I'm gonna name it button.html and save as type as all type. Alright, now save it and remove the old code first and done. And now replace the link with button called it's a button example. Alright, button tag example. Now start the button tag BUTTON and now close the button tag. And you can put your content here. I'm gonna put visit W3T point. Alright, now save it and open the file in the browser. So just double click on the file and the browser open. So you can see button is unclickable, nothing happening. So we will put button into anchor tag. So start anchor tag ahref and the hyperlink is https w3tpoint.com/html. Alright, now close the anchor tag and cut the button code and paste in anchor tag. So it's the content of the anchor tag now. So make it structure to understable. Alright, now save it and refresh the browser and now click on the button. So here we go, w3tpoint.com/html. Alright, so in anchor tag you can also use images or just only text. Alright, so basically the button tag define a clickable button. Inside the button element you can put your content like images, text, etc.